That's a red flashing light. That ain't good. That ain't good at all. So I'm probably not actually meant to be in here, but I don't know what I can do. It wasn't me. I haven't done anything. You know, I had actually considered going stealth camping tonight, but as you can maybe see, it's still a bit cold. 4 degrees. It's still warm. I'm going to leave it a couple of weeks, but I have been busy. I have fired on with the van, so I took a few days off work. And you know that list of things that were wrong with the van, the one that keeps growing? Well, for the first time since I bought it, I think it's actually shrinking again. Right outside. Alright, first things first. Let's go get a haircut. That's better. So yeah, no overnight stop tonight, which is disappointing, but I reckon maybe next weekend or the weekend after it's going to be doable, because it is definitely getting lighter, it's definitely getting a little bit warmer. So yeah, maybe not too much longer. Yeah, as I was saying, I've managed to do stuff I never thought I'd be able to do. You know, I always thought things like swapping a door or getting the wing changed over would be things you have to put it to the mechanic for. Not anymore. I've managed to do it. I genuinely feel quite proud. Now, in the past, I have tried more ambitious repairs than today, and I've had absolutely zero joy. Part of my problem up until now has been that I just don't have the proper tools. Well, that's an easy one to fix. Shameless plug for the little middle aisle. One of the guys I work with told me they were selling power tools and things, so I invested in this bad boy. And as you can see, it's been put to good use already. The plan for this year, as I've said before, is to try and get the van through its MOT and then take it on the ferry up to Shetland. So I managed to pick up a door and a bonnet from a guy who was selling Caddy bits on Facebook Marketplace. The door I needed a wee bit of help with. You need to hold it up, obviously, then there's the trickier bits like the window regulator and the locks, but it's on and it's just about complete, although I have lost one of my nice new sockets in the door handle. Get that back another time. The wing I did entirely on my own. It took ages, but it's on and it's secure. I'm not sure what this red wire's for. I ended up having to cut it to get the wing off and then sort of solder it back together, but other than that it was actually alright. The bonnet was even easier. Again, I just needed a pair of hands to help get it bolted into place. So that's the bulk of the accident damage repaired. I've also bought 1 or 2 new toys to fit. My self-holding curtain pole is now held in with brackets because it kept falling off, so that should mean I can leave the curtain up undisturbed. I got these LED number plate lights off eBay, but when I put them on the van it just throws up error warnings and they don't actually work. Maybe I bought the wrong ones, I'm not entirely sure. Now, I did discover this handy hack on YouTube.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pull cord onto your back door so you can open it from the inside.
I went to go and give this a try myself, and when I took the panel off the back door, turns out, lucky me, someone's already done it, just the lanyard had fallen back into the door. But it is on, it's nice and secure, and it works, so that's a result. And then after a general sweep out and a bit of a tidy up, I've put the mattresses back in the van ready for the better nights. I have achieved quite a lot, but as you're probably thinking if you've been following my videos for a little while now, it's not quite everything on the list. So yeah, I've managed to do a lot of stuff to the van that I didn't think I'd be able to do myself, so I'm quite proud of that. Still lots to do, and it is booked in to get the starting issues fixed, hopefully, on Wednesday, because I really don't know what I'm doing when it comes to non-return valve. The guy that I use for stuff that I can't do, he has a Caddy. He should hopefully know. Counting on you, Drew. So I'm going to get that done. I'm going to get the heater matrix bled as well. So when I go out, I will actually have heat in the van. So yeah, let's see if we can get the van ready in the next couple of weeks. Shadow, you can have my cushion back. This is a bit of a mistake, wasn't it?